By setting up your Handshake profile and your career interests, Handshake gets to know you a little bit more and understands what information to send your way and how to personalize the experience for you. So in the upper right-hand corner, when you click on My Profile, you're going to find the different sections of your profile that can be edited. Now, not everything can be edited, and I'll show you what I mean by that in just a second. You want to make sure you have a strong profile picture, professional. You can also fill out your professional summary here. This is a chance for you to really put your elevator pitch into action. And you can use the edit button here on the different sections to edit the section. By scrolling down here, you'll notice that there's an education section in here, and you'll notice that not everything can be edited. And you want to make sure that your graduation date is correct, though. That is one thing that you can edit, and make sure it's as accurate as possible, because that can affect your job applications. Go ahead and add your work experiences as well as your professional bullet points. Your profile is searchable through Handshake. And so when recruiters are out there searching for students to fill their internships and their full-time new graduate positions, they're going to be using certain keywords to search throughout Handshake. And so as long as you have those keywords in your profile, you have a really good chance of standing out. Notice you can also add organizations, extracurriculars, courses, projects that you work on. These really help bring life to your profile. At the very bottom here, you can make one of your documents visible, and you can check out the other video on how to do that. The skill section is very important. This is how Handshake can really narrow you down in a pool of candidates. If there is a number of candidates that applied for a specific job, and a recruiter does a keyword search through those applicants, it cannot search through the resume. Instead, Handshake will search through your profile skills section. So if the job application that you've submitted to, if the job description calls for experience with Excel, and you have Excel here in the skills section, when the recruiter uses that search keyword in the candidate pool, your profile is going to come up. So make sure that your skills section is filled out and matches the jobs that you're applying to. Up here under your interests, this is an opportunity for you to allow Handshake to get to know you a little bit better, and also to set up the job hunt section here. This will let recruiters know that you're actively looking for a job and put you in a different category when they're searching for you. Make sure you put the cities, the roles, and the industries that you're interested in. That lets Handshake know what to suggest to you going forward and allows you to be more searchable by employers. When you are ready, you're going to go ahead into My Career Interests, and you're going to go ahead and complete all this information here. Once again, the more that Handshake knows about you, the more it can suggest to you, and the easier it is to be found through the Handshake tool. So just make sure all this information is completely up to date and ready to go. And then after that, you can actually make your profile visible to employers, students, and alumni across all Handshake education institutions.